now arrived at the waterfalls. It's about a 200-meter trek, and there is no fly zone, so if you've got drones, you're not allowed to fly them here. So we are at น้ำตกเหวสวด. This is actually the end of the tracks here at เขาใหญ่ National Park. So we're gonna go down here this way. This is น้ำตกเหวสวด waterfall. Oh, oh, look at that. We are so high up here. So this is the view of the waterfalls from up. We have to climb down and see how it looks like from down there. But that is actually, I don't know if you can see, the white color is actually the waterfall. So let's go down. It's pretty cool. We're just gonna follow the trail. We've got here the view of the waterfall. เหวสวด waterfall. So it's a 25-meter cliff. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. So mesmerizing. I could just stand here and watch at the waterfall all day. It's like a screensaver. And the picture right here is actually that one. So let's move on. You need a good pair of walking shoes and make sure they don't hurt your sole, your feet. For us, we just wore our comfy shoes. Whoa, look at this tree. Look at the bark of this tree. So huge. Much bigger than my body, even if I'm already big. Oh, look at this. The barks, the roots, gigantic roots. Look at these. Whoa. So big. Huh? And we are now about to go to the about to pass through the bamboo canopy right here. So this is now steep. Look at this staircase, and look up the canopy. It's bamboo. Whoa. It's so steep. You have to be very, very careful walking down the staircase. There's a railing, there's a banister, so you just, you know, hold the railings, the banisters. If you don't feel comfy, just take a rest. This might pose a problem for the elderly, for the seniors, but it's doable, I guess, for some. Whoa. It's gonna be a steep climb later. A cluster of bamboos here. And we have now reached the ground, the surface, where we can have a look-see at the waterfalls. 𝚆𝚊𝚎𝚠 waterfalls. Whoa, majestic. Look at that. So beautiful. You have to be extra careful climbing these rocks. Make sure that you don't slip. You have to be very, very extra careful. You don't want to get hurt in these rocks. Be very careful again. Be very careful. And it's a good thing it's not raining. Look at this. Wow. It's so beautiful. You don't want to be crushed by those waterfalls crushing into your body. You can just imagine how hurt you could get. Let's go a little bit closer, maybe there. Make sure you don't slip or fall.